Let's imagine this. Suppose you have a friend named Juan kung saan siya'y nag-ani ng isang malaking lalagyan ng mga mangga. Pero hindi niya tanda kung ilan ito. What he knows is that whenever he grouped the mangoes into 3 crates, may natitirang 2. Kung hatiin niya naman ito into 5 crates, 3 naman ang natitira. Pero noong sa 7 niya naman ito hinati, 2 ulit ang tira. Ilan kaya ang manggang mayroon si Juan? You might be wondering how we can solve this problem, probably by listing manually or through trial and error. But what if I tell you that there is a fancy way to solve this problem? That leads to our new lesson. This is your Sir Reeve, and today we'll tackle the Chinese remainder theorem. Before anything else, let us specify what is expected of you as students taking number theory after watching this video. First, you must prove the Chinese remainder theorem or CRT. Next is to solve a set of simultaneous linear congruences, and lastly, explain in your own words how CRT applies to some real-life situations. For you to be guided, make sure you already know about linear congruences. That is, an equation of the form AX congruent to B modulo M is called a linear congruence, wherein a solution to this is the integer x0, where, by definition of congruence, ax0 minus b is equal to km for some integer k. Moreover, recall that any solution of the linear congruence ax congruent to 1 modulo m is called the multiplicative inverse of a modulo m. But remember that it only has a solution kung ang GCD A at M ay 1, which means that A and M are co-prime. Alright, that's for our quick review of what we have previously learned. Talking about Chinese remainder theorem, this can be rooted from a problem stated in the book Sun Ji Xuan Jing na isinulat ni Sun Ji, a Chinese mathematician. It says the following: there are certain things whose number is unknown. If we count them by 3s, we have 2 left over. By 5s, we have 3 left over. And by 7s, 2 are left over. How many things are there? If you might have noticed, pareho lang ito sa pinakita kong problem kanina. Ang kaibahan lang ay nariyan na si Juan na nakalimutan ang bilang ng manggang kanyang inani. Ganun pa man, ang sagot sa problema niya ay siya mismong tinutukoy ng CRT. Bakit nga ba?